My name is Doug Mansfield. I'm the president of manufacturing for Kirby Risk Corporation. Well, it's pretty simple. When I graduated from Purdue, I decided to also get married. My wife needed another year to complete her teaching degree from Purdue, so I took a job with a local company called Kirby Risk. And 47 years later, I'm still with that company. It's been a huge transformation using technology, and we embrace it in everything we do. Our manufacturing company, we have 3 different types of businesses, and all 3 use technology in a different manner. Our largest company is Kirby Risk Service Center that makes wiring harnesses and control panels for large global OEMs. And we have to automate as many of the processes on our plant floor as we can, using all kinds of data, using computers, using sensors, using barcode, because we have to compete globally. Our main competition is Mexico, and so I have to be the most efficient with the best quality that I can provide, because I can't compete on a cost basis from a labor standpoint. Our electrical wholesale part of our company has 39 locations in Indiana, Illinois, and Ohio. And on the manufacturing side, I have 2 plants in Lafayette, Indiana. Our harness plant, which is about 224,000 square feet with about 350 people that make harnesses and control panels that are shipped all over the world. We have a precision machining plant here in town. I have about 65 machinists that machine parts for engines for Caterpillar, John Deere, housings for Parker Hannifin, those type of customers. I have a small company outside of Indianapolis that makes electrical products called phase converters and power factor correction capacitors. And then I have another plant about 100,000 square feet in Griffin, Georgia, which is about 45 minutes south of Atlanta. And they make strictly control panels, electrical control panels for our OEMs. I can date way back before the internet, in which we had to collaborate using the phone and those type things. But today, in our machining plant, we can virtually machine a part before we ever touch the floor or load it into a CNC machine. And so we can debug the program. We can see what we're doing virtually before we even touch any material. At our harness plant, we have 453 to 450 computers on the floor with barcode technology, et cetera, to track the number of items we have going through the plant. We have 10,000 finished goods, all make to order, 9-day lead time. And so we're cutting wires and putting them together as a harness. We'll cut 20 to 40,000 wires a day. So how do you track this mass chaos? That's where we use the Internet of Things, we use cloud computing, we use all the things that we're talking about. We just do it in a smaller way than the bigger companies. And that's one of the things I'm going to talk about today. The challenge for us as a small company is the product that we make is, half of it is very labor intensive. How do we make that labor, how do we automate it? Can we use robots? Not practical today. It's too costly. I would take too many. I wouldn't have a return on my investment. Would I use AGVs to move the material? Not today. Not costly enough. I'd have no ROI. So how can I embrace the newest technology and apply it to our small company, again, to take out waste and make us more cost competitive?